Yo, what up, what up? It's your boy C's from the C's of Life.com. Now, you can see the lights and you see the darkness, and you already know your boy is burning that midnight oil. I just wrapped up a couple of my clients' projects, which of whom they were very pleased with. And like, I am so grateful, man, because like I really work hard on these things and they trust me with their art, they trust me with their brand, and I deliver and they're happy. So that makes me happy. Um, and that's just the topic of today's discussion. There's having faith, man, because it's just believing in the unseen. That's what faith is, basically. And faith is the opposite of fear, right? Fear is also believing in the unseen. So, like, why not tune your energy, tune your inner power, that inner voice towards the positive, towards the opposite side of the spectrum, and have faith in the unseen. Because before a project, or before I record a project, I don't really quite know, especially if the brand or the client doesn't have their own vision. They trust my vision and they trust my way of putting together a piece for them. I just start out not knowing exactly how it's going to turn out, but I do have faith that with the right opportunity and the right resources, I'm able to deliver exactly what it is that they need. Now, I've accumulated some resources along the way because I'm taking action, right? And just having that faith and that belief in the unseen. And when you do have faith and belief in the unseen and you take action on that, the universe rewards you, right? So I've been rewarded with tons more work, more than I can currently handle. But I am blessed for the opportunity. And yeah, I'm looking to grow a team so that, we can take this universe by storm, because the universe is conspiring to give you exactly what it is that you need and want. And it's eager to give you what it is that you need and want. So I'm like not getting in my own way. So I'm just taking full advantage. And to be quite honest with you, I want more. There's no reason why I shouldn't be on the level that I want to be at, right? There's no reason why I shouldn't have more in my life. And the only reason is the limits that I place on myself. So right now, it's just like getting out of my own way, uh, clearing my mental space so I don't, cloud my judgment. And yeah, just taking full advantage, taking action every single day, which is these videos, right? Season 3 is upon us. Like, we're full swing. And I said, as I'm producing these seasons, magical things tend to happen. And this is exactly why I continue to do this every single time. And I look forward to doing it every single time because of these magical opportunities. Now, I'm looking forward to um, seeing my ideal realized in this season. Now, I can't quite project it out there quite yet because I'm still trying to figure out how this universe works and how I work as well. One of the biggest things is getting to know yourself. So with each season that I produce and each episode that I release is like me getting closer to the real me, right? That rock star within me. And I want to live the life of luxury and, have awesome opportunities, awesome experiences, because that's what life is. It's a collection of experiences, and we're looking to increase the frequency and intensity of those experiences. So every single day, I'm taking action, doing today's work today, and not focusing on the past, not focusing on the future, but in the present moment. Today was starting to get away from me. So I had to pull myself together, meditate, slow down, get a couple of clients' work done, and then work on myself. Although I do preach taking care of your physiological needs first, I did that through meditation. And then I was like, yo, let me get these clients jobs out of the way. And yeah, now it's all done. Clients are happy, and just waiting to receive more. It's like, get out of your own way, open yourself up to receiving, ask and it shall be given. So right now I am asking for it all right. I want all the money, I want all the cars, all the homes. I sound like a rapper right now. Anyway, but yo, that's true, man. There's no reason why my energy like physically manifested itself for me to just not have what it is that I want. So I know it might sound a little kooky or whatever. If you're along this journey, you already understand exactly what I'm saying. So I'm only attracting those believers. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, getting the work done, doing today's work today. Going to post this video, edit it, and release it, because that's all I can do. And then wait upon you to join me along this journey, all right, and continue this discussion. Anyway, that is my time today. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and holla at your guala. Peace.